Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check for messages from blocked contacts on your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to understand that when you block a contact from your iPhone, messages from that contact will not appear in your messages app. Unfortunately, there is no way to see messages that were blocked while the contact was blocked. To start receiving messages from a previously blocked contact, you need to unblock them. Open the setting app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Messages. Tap on Blocked Contacts. Then you find the contact you want to unblock and swipe left on their name, then tap on Block. Once you've unblocked the contact, you can ask them to resend any important messages they tried to send while they were blocked. Unfortunately, iOS doesn't save messages from blocked contacts. If you unblock someone, you won't see messages they sent while blocked. You only receive new messages they send after being unblocked. And that's it guys. By unblocking the contacts, you can now start receiving their messages again. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.